How clean is the water you drink? Do you know where it comes from? Do you know what's in it? We are at the beginning of a water revolution. We are slowly being poisoned through our current water systems. Cities are minimally treating their sewage and discharging it into the rivers. Chemicals from industrial plants contaminate holding ponds and groundwater. Hormone pills and antibiotics are examples of some of the pharmaceuticals that pass through the body and into the water system. Herbicide and fertilizer runoff from farms also end up in our rivers. Water supply distribution plants were not designed to remove these chemicals, and they end up in our drinking water in low doses. In fact, some facilities, such as this one, are still using technology from the 1930s to treat the water pumped to your home. Over time, low-level contamination can lead to all types of diseases. Low levels of atrazine have caused male frogs to turn into females, and the plastic bottles we drink from produce a chemical called BPA, which mimics a female hormone and causes gynecomastia, better known as male breasts. Autism, MS, cancers, mental disorders, and a host of many other illnesses may be caused by low-level water contamination. Current drinking water purity standards are too low. Chlorine is used to kill the microorganisms such as bacteria that live in our water. However, humans are also biological, and therefore the same chlorine we use to treat our water could have an adverse accumulating effect on us. What will the repercussions be if we allow this cycle to continue? Two Burton brothers found a better way. They call themselves Perpetual Water, and they've worked tirelessly for the past 7 years to design a device that will stabilize our domestic water situation. This mobile hydrocycle system can clean water from any contaminated source. The hydrocycle economically cleans water and allows us to tap other water sources that were previously uneconomical. The hydrocycle system will drastically reduce the demand for clean water. Water purity is measured by its electrical conductivity. One unit of measure for this is known as microsiemens per centimeter. A typical sample of current tap water measures at about 500 microsiemens per centimeter, and the maximum allowable contamination is 1055. The purity standard should be a maximum of 5, not 1055. Perpetual Water has a proof of concept system for a new method of water purification, a method they've developed, designed, and tested. These men put every penny they had into this project, and they're still working tirelessly today to move their patent-pending process forward. Their device has the ability to reinvent the way water is made ready for drinking. The hydrocycle is compact, mobile, energy efficient, and outputs a much higher level of purity than current water supply and distribution methods produce. They have a patent-pending process for producing distilled water at the current cost of distributing tap water. Why does this system seem so ahead of its time? First, they looked at nature's process for purifying water, the evaporation rain cycle. Water changes phases from a liquid to a gas, then condenses back into a liquid that we call rain. This rainwater is actually cleaner than current tap water. Next, they invented a way to boil water rapidly while using less energy to achieve the phase change from liquid to vapor. Then, they invented a way to rapidly condense all the water vapor produced by their system. At that point, the brothers realized they could use this technology to recreate the pattern of nature's water cycle within their device. This demonstration unit is designed to remove the volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, and other contaminants that are in current water treatment and distribution systems. This attribute of the device is only one of the ways it could prove irreplaceable as an emergency response tool for disaster relief, such as the Elk River situation in West Virginia or the Hinckley site in California. Perpetual Water wants to see a future where all people have access to cleaner drinking water. The Burton brothers believe people should own their water. By recycling and cleaning the water they have, people will be able to secure their supply and know its purity. We need to get this technology into everyone's hands so we can begin the disaster relief, so we can prevent diseases, and so we can secure the future of our world's drinking water. This will allow us to take the next step into providing people with perpetual water. The water revolution has started, and we want you to be a part of it.